We're going to explore two common abrasives used in sandblasting, aluminum oxide number 46 and brown corundum number 220. These abrasives have distinct advantages in both industrial and DIY applications. Let's take a closer look at their features and uses. First, let's look at aluminum oxide number 46. This abrasive is extremely hard, primarily composed of aluminum oxide. Its particles have sharp edges, making it highly effective in removing dirt, oxidation, and other contaminants from surfaces during sandblasting. In industrial applications, aluminum oxide number 46 is perfect for cleaning and surface preparation, especially on hard materials like metal and glass. It also provides a good surface roughness, which is beneficial for subsequent coating or painting processes. Aluminum oxide number 46 is also a great choice. Whether you're restoring old tools or working on metal art pieces, it delivers excellent cleaning and surface treatment results. Next, let's look at brown corundum number 220. It has high hardness and wear resistance. Its smaller particle size makes it suitable for fine surface treatment. In industrial applications, brown corundum number 220 is ideal for precision sandblasting and polishing. For beginners or small projects, the Lematec 2.2-pound starter bag of sandblast media is perfect. It provides enough abrasive media for the job without the need for bulk purchases, suitable for both DIY and professional use. The abrasive use depends on the type of surface being worked on, the desired sandblasting effects, and the tools being used.